Call me at 361-815-7377 to schedule your tour.
I just wanted to show you an example of why you want a real estate agent in Southwest Florida when you're dealing with builders. So this is my Zillow agent website. You can look me up under agent search. So we're looking at a Venice here. I sold for $293,000 plus I got that person 4% towards their closing costs. This is the address here. If we go over to solds, you'll see it here, 293. If you look right next door, the builder sold one to somebody unexpectedly for 339. And if you look around, you'll see they sold this one for 322. Or wait, that's not a Venice. Let's see if we can find another Venice. Well, anyways, I'm not quite seeing. Here's one, 329. So I saved those folks about $30,000. And again, if you look here at my agent site, you will see I sold this Princeton. That's the address. If you go over here to recently sold, you'll see my Princeton. And then not even 3 days after I sold this Princeton, the builder sold one right here for $30,000 more. So that's the benefit of having a realtor such as myself, is I negotiate with the builder for a lot better price and incentives than they're willing to offer you. They're here to maximize profits for their builder, for the company that they work for.